Have you ever wondered why you can't put metal in a microwave? It's a household rule we've all grown accustomed to, but how many of us understand why? Today we're going to explore the science behind this everyday enigma. It's more than just a cautionary tale or a kitchen faux pas. It's a fascinating intersection of physics, technology, and everyday life. But why is it exactly that these kitchen appliances have such a grudge against metal? Let's dive in. To answer that, we first need to understand how microwaves work. Picture this. You're at a pool and you start to make waves by splashing water. These waves, they move back and forth, creating a ripple effect. Now think of your microwave as a tiny pool, but instead of water, it's filled with invisible waves called microwaves. These microwaves are a type of electromagnetic wave, just like light or radio waves, but they have a superpower. When they bounce around inside your microwave, they make water molecules in your food vibrate extraordinarily fast. This rapid movement generates heat, and voila! Your leftovers are hot again. Microwaves are designed to be absorbed by food and bounce off the metal walls of the oven. The microwaves keep bouncing around until they find some food to heat up. That's why the container gets cold, but the food gets hot. But when there is metal inside, things get a bit more complicated. So, what happens when you put metal in a microwave? Well, let's delve into that. When we place metal inside a microwave, it acts as a reflector of microwaves. Instead of absorbing these waves to create heat, like your leftover pizza might, metals simply bounce them back. Picture a game of ping pong, but instead of a ball, we're using microwaves, and instead of a paddle, we're using a metal utensil. Sounds fun, right? Not quite. Now, here's where things start to sizzle. Quite literally. Metals have free electrons, tiny particles with a mind of their own. When microwaves hit the metal, these free electrons get all excited and start moving around. This movement generates an electric current, which in turn creates heat. But wait, there's more. In the case of a metal object with pointed edges like a fork, these microwaves can cause the electrons to cluster at the points. This electron party can get a bit too wild and create sparks. If these sparks hit something flammable like a piece of parchment paper or even the walls of the microwave, you're looking at a potential fire. So the next time you're tempted to reheat your coffee in its metal travel mug or accidentally leave a spoon in the bowl, remember the wild party of electrons waiting to happen? And that, folks, is why we don't put metal in the microwave. So now you know why you should never put metal in a microwave. Let's do a quick recap. Microwaves heat food by producing electromagnetic waves that excite the water molecules in your food, causing them to vibrate and generate heat. When you introduce metal into this environment, it can reflect these waves, potentially causing sparks or even flames. This could damage your microwave or worse, start a fire in your home. Even something as seemingly harmless as a small piece of aluminum foil or a metal-edged dish can have these dangerous results. It's not worth the risk. This is why it's so important to only use microwave-safe containers and to always double-check for hidden bits of foil or other metals before you start cooking. The science behind it is fascinating, but the safety implications are serious. Remember, understanding why we follow certain rules can help us stay safe. So, keep the metal out of your microwave and keep enjoying your quick and easy meals.